That's another thing. Kailangan sa marketing mo, meron kang mga feedback from clients. Meron kang results. Which means that you have to be mindful, you have to monitor. Right? Next thing is, you have to handle your finances. Kasi yung pera mo, dapat dinadala mo, nilalagay mo sa quality ng product, hindi lang lahat sa marketing. Dapat balance yung quality ng product sa marketing mo. Next is, you have to build a brand. A brand that people will trust. Kasi kahit maganda produkto mo, mukhang masarap, kung wala silang tiwala sa'yo, lalo na pagkain yung binibenta mo, hindi rin sila bibili. So you have to be trustworthy. You have to build that brand. And the best way, again, for you to build that brand is to become a better person, is to become a better entrepreneur, is to become a better owner. How do you do that? Bago ka magpa-business permit, bago ka gumastos ng sobrang laki sa marketing, ang gastusan mo sarili mo. Mag-enroll ka sa Success Blueprint right now. It's successblueprint.ph. Okay? And I'm gonna see you on the other side.